there. Yeah, up. Go. That's your favorite. One more. You got one more, Indy. You got one more, Indy. Good Lord. Up. That's failure right there, baby. I said 10, so I got 2 more. Toast to all the haters. Empty. Drank it all myself. What you gonna do to me? All you guys drink. Half of you guys are fucking drunk in the chat. You fucking ass motherfucker. You're not gonna tell me if what I gotta do to be a good boxer. I know fucking boxers that win in the ring drunk as fucking knock the motherfucker out. Have I ever done that? No. You hating ass motherfucker. You guys know damn well you guys are drinking right now. You haters. Bro, it's not funny, bro. This is real talk, bro. You guys keep on messing around and think this shit is cool. Toast to all the haters. All that, cancel the fight talk, stop all that. We training hard. We're just passionate about the things we feel. You need to be passionate about it. Come on now. Just because I'm not just a boxer don't mean that something's wrong.
Let me tell you guys about Issa Israel Law Firm. It is a full-service legal practice based in Denver, Colorado, an emerging hub for combat sports and high-altitude training. If you're a fighter inside or outside of the ring and you need a law firm you can trust to fight for you, visit thefighterfirm.com or email help@iilawfirm.com. Legal representation is usually limited to plaintiffs or defendants in Colorado, but iFirm can help anyone in the world with trademarking their business name, logos, and U.S. immigration issues. This brother has been my attorney for a while and helped guide me through all kinds of business and civil issues, so make sure you guys go to thefighterfirm.com.